Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to build and launch your first Anna app from scratch. We're going to build an AI text summarizer as our example. You'll see it's much easier than you think, because Anna handles all the heavy lifting. We just need to focus on the app logic. If you don't have time to follow every single step in the video, I've put a full guide in the pinned comment. Alright, let's get started. Okay, first, let's go to Anna Partners. Create an account and log in. If you haven't enabled developer access yet, just go to the developer console and activate it. It's all self-service. Next, we need to set our local agent as the default. Go back to Anna Partners again. Download the local agent for your system and keep it online. Then, find this computer in the agents list and store it. This ensures Anna runs code on your local disk. If we use the cloud agent, it won't find your local file paths. It's the best way to avoid errors while testing. Now for the dev environment, we don't need much, just Node, JS22, UV, and the Anna CLI. That's pretty much it. Once those are installed, run in a app doc during your terminal. If you see all required checks, we're good to go. Next, run in a app login. It will give you a URL. Just open that link in your browser and hit approve. The CLI will then automatically sign in with your account. To make sure everything is connected, running a app Who Am I? If you see your info, you're all set. Alright, environment ready. Now, let's actually create the app. Run on app init to pull down a pre-built template. This is a starter project provided by Anna to help us get moving quickly. Once it's done, just jump into that folder. Now, run in a app dev to fire it up. Open the local link in your browser and click run. If you see Palm, awesome, your app is officially running. Before we touch any code, let's run in a app validate. If it passes, we have a solid baseline to work from. Here's a quick look at the structure. App, JSON has the basic info, bundle is for the UI, manifest, JSON handles permissions, and executors is where the logic lives. Let's use Git to save this version. That way, if something breaks later, we can always roll back to a fresh start. Now, let's get the AI to help us. I've put the prompts in the full guide, so you can just copy and paste them. First, I'll feed the AI a learning prompt. The key here is not to ask it to code just yet. We want it to read the latest Anna docs and our project structure first. Once the AI actually understands the rules, it'll save us a ton of debugging later. The AI just gave us an implementation plan. Let's check the UI, executor, and the LLM flow. Looks solid, let's keep moving. Now, we'll send a second prompt to actually build a summarizer. Let's fast forward through the coding. Done. Let's run in a app dev again and refresh the preview to see our summarizer in action. Let's test it out. I'll paste some text here and hit summarize. There's the loading state. And there we go. It works. Our summary is ready. One more in a app validate. We need to make sure the project still follows all of Anna's rules. And everything passes. Everything looks great. Let's commit these changes. Dev work is done. Time to get this ready for the world. Before we publish, we need one more check. The prompt for this is also in the full guide, so I'll give it directly to the AI. The AI will check our app settings, permissions, and the executor setup. Yeah, everything passes. Now we can move on. Next, we need to build binaries for different platforms. The full guide has a prompt ready for this too, so we can just let the AI create the build workflow for us. Then, we'll push the project to GitHub and run the workflow. As you can see, the macOS, Windows, and Linux builds all passed. Pay special attention to the Linux version here. The Anna cloned agent will need this one to run our app later. Once the builds are done, we'll update the binary paths in executor JSON. Then move the artifacts into the dist folder. Now for the big moment. Run in the app apps publish. You'll see the status is draft. That means it's uploaded, but it's not public just yet. Back in the developer console, find the app and hit install. Now, go to Agents, install the tool. Once it's installed, open details to make sure the tool is running. Then go to installed apps. Enable LLM completions. And open the app in the chat. Let's give it a whirl. Perfect, no errors. Finally, let's switch to the Anna Cloud agent and test it one more time. This confirms our Linux build is working perfectly in the cloud. Tests passed. Let's go back to the console, click Settings, and hit Submit now. Once it's approved, just click Publish. Now your app is officially live for everyone. Anyone can now find, install, and use our app. Updating the app later follows the same flow. Change, test, validate, and rebuild if needed. Then upload, test, and submit. Easy, and that's it. We just built and launched an app from scratch. Anna handles the infrastructure, so you can focus on your ideas. Go ahead and turn your idea into an Anna app today.